In today's video, I'll be making pizza from scratch. Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time coming across my channel, my name is Tammy and please don't forget to subscribe. So this is my 1.5 kg flour and this is my baking powder and I'm going to add salt to taste, no sugar when you're preparing pizza. So I'll add 1.5 cup of warm water. Then I'm going to mix my flour together. After mixing your dough, it should look this way. I have to wash my hand. You know, when you are mixing dough, your hand can be so messy. All right, so if you want it to be more thick, you can just spray some flour on your table, then mix it, but make sure that it's not that thick. Okay, let's prepare this sauce. I'm going to add just small spoon of vegetable oil, and I'm going to add 2 can of my tomato, and I'm going to add my blended pepper. If you don't like spicy stuff, just keep this pepper. You know, I cannot eat anything without pepper, especially pizza. So I'm going to add 1 hand of sugar, then a pinch of salt to taste. You don't need too much salt or too much seasoning in your sauce because this is pizza, right? You don't need too much seasoning, like put it thyme, put it curry. Don't try it. So just let it cook in a very low heat for about 7 minutes and it's ready. Your sauce is ready. All right. So this is my cheese for pizza. So I'm going to use these two mozzarella. I'm going to use two of it. One is two for 250 cents. So I got two for €5. Alright, so I'm going to use this. I wanted to use it to grate it, but it's not allowing me because it's too small. So I had to dice it with my knife. And this is the result of the two mozzarella. Yeah, I'm going to make two different pizza. One is called margherita and the other one is called cipolla e tonno. That is tuna and what's it called, onions. Yeah, so I love this taste so much, the onions and the tuna, which is sandy, right? I love the taste so much. I've been tasting some pizza, so when I ordered for that pizza, it has been my best and best pizza. Yeah, when I went with dinner with my friend and my husband, so I ordered for that one and people were like, is it delicious? So they taste from it. Yeah, so I love it so much. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to divide it into two. Then, yeah, it's my pizza. I'm trying to roll this pizza. Then I'm going to roll it with my roller. Then I'll transfer it straight to my tray. Or what is this called? I don't know the name. It's tray, right? I don't know. So I'm going to add my sauce, my tomato sauce that we just prepared now. I'm going to add it to it. Then I'm going to continue spraying it this way. On our way to 1,000 subscribers, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, give me thumbs up, please, and help me to share it out. Thank you. Once we click 1,000 subscribers, we are going for another giveaway. This time around, it's going to be a huge giveaway, I promise. All right, so I'm trying to spray my sauce. Then I'm going to add my cheese on top of my sauce. So I'm trying to make a margherita. This is margherita pizza, the one we used to buy in the supermarket. If I want to get this type of pizza in the supermarket, like this large one, I don't think I'm going to spend lesser than close to €7 or €7 plus. Yeah, because the one we used to get, just round one, we used to get it for how much? Almost €3, right? And you cannot compare homemade food with outside food, right? There's different there. So this is my second pizza, the one I'm going to make with my chipotle and my tuna. All right, I'm trying to spread my sauce. The first step you have to do just to put your sauce before you put your cheese or anything at all. You can put any vegetables, anything you want at all. I've seen some pizza with bell pepper and zucchini. You can add any vegetable of your choice. You can add anything you want at all, but don't add curry and thyme in your sauce. You are not preparing stew. All right. So for my subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for coming back to my channel to watch my videos. Thank you for all what you guys do. I do appreciate your support once again. Thank you. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for coming in. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. On our way to 900 subscribers, please, guys, we can do it. Yeah, by sharing it and giving me thumbs up. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to add my tuna. This is my sardine. It's called tuna in Italy. So if I'm calling tuna, know that I'm saying sardine, right? If you want to learn some Italy, just be listening to my explanation in this video or in my videos. You will understand some Italy language, right? Sometimes I feel like I should be explaining it in Italy, but many people cannot understand it because I used to forget some stuff in English sometimes. So this is my onions. If you want to use onions, just let it be brown onions. That's when you're going to enjoy your pizza. And you put it in 150-degree. You can low it when you check it that yeah it's too much. You can put it 100-degree. Then you come back and check your pizza. This is my margarita, and here is my chipola and toner. All right, our pizza is ready. Tell me what you are going to use this pizza. Assuming you have it in front of you right now, are you going to use it with your juice or your wine, right? There is nothing called enjoy your pizza without juice or wine, without cold juice. Like I love making pizza so much. And it's so easy, so fast. Like we are looking for something fast to make. Just go for pizza. So easy and so fast. You don't need to wait for your dough to rise up or to do anything. Just mix your dough, get all your sauce ready, and your pizza is ready within 30 minutes. Everything is going to ready from mixing your flour to get your pizza ready. It's going to ready within 30 minutes. Yeah. So, and that's my pizza. This is for me and my little princess. Why the second one is for my hubby and the senior ones because they don't like anything called chipola. That is onions. Yeah, so I made this for them. Nobody should give me an excuse. Yeah, so I make this margarita for them, and I'm trying to cut this for the kids. And I get it for hobby too. Let me know in the comment section. Do you like to eat pizza? Do you love pizza? They don't even anybody that tell me that don't like to eat pizza. Everybody love pizza because it's so easy and yeah, so affordable. All right, so this is the outcome of a margarita pizza, and I'm going to digest it with my apple juice. My apple cold juice. All right, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. See you. Bye.